What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm just kidding. Welcome back to Minnesota's Rust YouTube channel. We got cars in the background, crickets being loud, and junk. So we're working on another project today. Pretty cool project. We're making a cannon, actually. Like a pirate cannon, you would call it that. So, currently working outside. This shop has junk in it. So, we have like the carriage of the cannon, like the base of it, semi done. Currently it's just temporarily screwed together. We are gonna use some all thread and probably put 4 in on each side, maybe. That might be a little much, probably 2. One that goes through 4 here, and then one that goes through 3 here, then duplicate on the other side. So, these are wheels that we're gonna use. They're way too big for this, but it's what we had, so it works. As you can tell, that's where we drag it through. Found some copper wire out in the woods that we need to take care of. So, we got some stuff. You never know when you need a horseshoe, a hammer, or this, that, and the other thing. So we got way too many bolts, because you can never have enough. And you can see we got some big washers in there. That is the same size as that pipe. So we're gonna drill some holes and put cotter key and washer on the inside of the wheel and cotter key on the outside of the wheel. I had to dry this pipe. There's enough friction that I'm not gonna worry about it. So I think what you'll see us do next is I'll get this out and then I'll drill a hole in it. I can tell we got almost 1.5 to 2 inches of rain last night. So we got a ton of rain. So you guys can watch me move some junk. I mean good stuff. Minnesota's Rust. Bought some new gloves. Was it yesterday? Already dirty. I like them because they're good for riding. So if you bash your knuckles on stuff. But I'll go grab a 3/8 drill bit and a bit extender, so I can start drilling some holes through the all thread. I think we'll go right in front of the axle. I think right by, because then there'll be the other one right here, so that should spread it out pretty decent. Well, I bought 12 foot of it, so we have enough to go through, put one through in every single joint, but I don't think we need that much. The shop's a little messy. I don't know if we ever updated you guys on this, but we set up an air compressor in the shop. One that we've had for a while, at least haven't had it in here. A little better than the old 30 gallon. Good old 30 gallon. I don't even know what that is. I think that is a Coleman one too. But it's oilless, so it's really, really loud. It'll just whole time. It's only 3/8. I think I want a better 3/8 bit though. That one looks decent. It's a lot better than that one. Now I could find a bit extender. Had one right over here a second ago. So let's try. Get put sitting on here for a while. We have stuff everywhere, as you can see. We really gotta clean up. There we go. We have a 5/8 bit right in there right now. It's full of dirt from. We had to drill through a big log that was on the ground, and we went into the dirt. I can set the camera up. So we have been keeping busy on projects. We haven't been recording all of them now. It's September, is it 24th right now? School started 2 weeks ago. I don't know. Went to a car show today. Went to Tractor Supply because we had to buy, because we're, spoiler alert, getting a tire changer. It's ordered. Just keep on having delays on shipping it. So it's been, I don't know, a while. So, you know, you need like a dunk tank for like seeing where the tire's leaking sometimes. So we bought like a 40-gallon like feed tank for like animals to like put feed and like water and stuff in. So it should work just dandy for this. Now this should be long enough, I think. We'll grab our M18 drill and start going to town. It's gonna be hard drilling, probably. I don't know. I might need a bigger bit. It's really hard to take out drill bits with one hand. Is this the right way? Nope, that's the right way. I got battery juice. Turn on the light. Get a little bit of extra light for you guys out there. It's like 5 o'clock. It's like 4:30 or something. I got school tomorrow. So I don't got a ton of time, but so I'm gonna update you after I drill these holes, I think. Okay. Mrs. West. We're back. Well, I'm back. Grandpa's out looking for something. So, he appeared with his Arby's lemonade. So, as you can see, using giant pieces of all thread to help hold everything together here. Of course, they're not going to be this long. We're going to cut them off in a bit. But because it's not quite exactly centered, it kind of pulled it over to the side because none of these pieces are exactly flat. So we'll have to loosen that up, and then once we have stuff held together, we'll screw it back down. Doesn't really matter. We have to double nut them so the rod doesn't spin on the bottom. It is now raining. Make sure you move my gloves before you hop on. Yeah, so I'll tighten this one down a little bit, and then we'll work on the axle. And when it stops raining, we'll work on other stuff. Do you have any thoughts, Grandpa? He has his Arby's lemonade. Here are washers that fit that shaft. They're 1.25 inches. Technically these are machine bushings, but that's the, it's kind of hard to get 1.25 inch washers normally. So yeah, I'll work on that. Quick update. I'm talking to the camera. It's okay. Quick update. This is how it's looking. We have our probably way too thick barrel. It's actually not even that thick. We have our axle all together and everything. Looks menacing. So we have our butt of our cannon, our pommel, whatever you want to call it. So they always have like a weird pommel on the end. So that's what this hitch ball, this 2 5/16 will be. We found a nut that fits because Grandpa doesn't want me to weld this good ball on, which is okay. So we're gonna take this castle nut and weld it into the inside of this. I don't even know what this thing is. It's just cast iron and very heavy. We're gonna weld the bottom of that in. There'll be a washer on here so that covers that. And this will be welded to the butt of this. So the cannon, I think, the barrel will be cut off about there. So we haven't cut our all thread off because we don't know how long we want it yet. You know, it's the iron sights, right? What are you up to, Grandpa?
Water must be coming in from the very top of the door.
The very top of the door. Drip. Look at all this good stuff. Lots and lots of nails. Okay, well, I'm gonna put a front on it. And close the front so it looks right. Right now it's just kind of held together. I gotta I gotta take it all apart. Not take it all apart, but just take some of it apart. This is very heavy, this whole thing. Let's cut it off here. It'll be counterbalanced good by, this thing's solid, by the way. So it's quite heavy. Okay. We'll get to that. Quick update. It's getting late. Need to head home. There's our pommel. Currently it's just being held in by counterbalance in the back. It looks pretty good. It's a little, needs to go up here and down in the back. It's approximate. It's pretty decent actually. So when the top's in place, when it's held together, it should have, and when these are tight, it should have almost zero flex, which will be good. We don't have to worry about these going this way flexing. This thing is very heavy. It's 1/4 inch about. It's got, we'll put the pommel on. I'll probably find some thin rod and put a few loops on it here and there. And do that. And that will look good. I'll put some iron sights on it and stuff. But it looks quite accurate actually. I approve of it. You knocked over the red thing. So we're gonna finish picking stuff up quick. And then it's raining, so I won't drive the mini bike back. So that's it for now. We'll be back tomorrow or the next few coming days. Push things away, and that's it.